Chasing homeowners, buying leads, calling all day just to hear silence. Solar shouldn't be this hard. With Solarmarkit, you stop buying leads and start selecting real homeowner projects already planning to install solar. It is free to join. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just verified homeowners, ready to go solar. You select the projects you want to quote on: solar, batteries, or both. No lead fees, no blind quotes. Submit offers directly to homeowners on Solarmarkit. No agents, no middlemen, no chasing. Every offer can include an annual solar savings estimate, giving homeowners confidence to choose your company. Backed by Solarmarkit transparency. When homeowners compare offers with equal clarity, your service, pricing, and expertise win, not how many calls you make. Homeowners choose SolarPay for upfront payment held securely in escrow until the project is done, or use your approved third-party finance provider. Either way, your work is protected and you are paid on time. And to help you get started, your first installation on Solarmarkit is even more rewarding. Use the promo code POWERUP30 when submitting your offers, and you'll receive 30% back from your service fee once your first project is accepted by a homeowner. Stop burning cash on cold leads. Start converting real projects with homeowners who are ready to buy. Quote on the solar projects you want, stabilize your workflow, and grow sustainably without a sales team. Solarmarkit connects CEC accredited providers directly with Australians going solar. No noise, no waste. Stop cold calling. Quote smarter. Get paid on time. Solarmarkit. Smarter solar starts here.